Welcome to our video showcasing incredible plastic bottle-to-bag packaging machines. This machine is designed to simplify the packaging process of plastic bottles, ensuring the efficiency and convenience of plastic bottle transportation. With its user-friendly interface, the plastic bottle-to-bag packaging machine can be easily controlled and monitored even by inexperienced operators. The length and width of the bottle package can be customized according to your requirements. Our suggestion is that the package length generally does not exceed about 1 meter to 1.2 meter, which is more convenient for handling, whether it is a small plastic bottle or a large plastic bucket. The machine can be easily customized to fit bottles of all sizes. If you want to improve production efficiency, the fully automatic baler can fully meet your needs and reduce labor. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.